What up guys, it's Jude. In today's video, we're going to look at a platform that promises to help you own your cryptocurrency exchange. We're going to look at it to know if it actually works and how you can start using it. So it's just saying that you don't need to go and create your own exchange. You can actually leverage a platform and start helping people, sell their Bitcoin. So this platform is called Cashout Africa. We're looking through it right now. It says start a Bitcoin for Naira exchange free on Cashout. It's simple. Set up your business and start making money by running your own Bitcoin for Naira exchange without any capital. It is totally free of charge. So if you scroll down, you see the process. One is to sign up, create an account on Cashout. Then set up your kiosk, create your kiosk. This will be your personalized marketplace. You determine how much you want to be paid here. Copy and share your link on your social media or wherever you want to share it. Then you get paid once someone visits your kiosk and sells his or her Bitcoin through your kiosk. So you can see, you can calculate your profit here. You can actually set your own rate here. Nice, right? So if you go down and say profit control, you determine how much profit you make per transaction. It's free of charge. All you get to do is make money without spending your hard-earned Naira. So if you want to start a Bitcoin exchange for free, this is where you do it. 24/7 customer support service. Now guys, I have already created an account, so I'm going to log in and we're going to test out if this actually works. If you have not created an account, you can do that. So this is the platform. I've actually used it once, and this is the dashboard. You have your kiosk analytics. Now, before you can actually start using this platform, you have to actually complete KYC. But let me keep on walking you through. So if you go to wallet, you can actually check your wallet balance here and see the transactions you perform. These are your collections and settings. Settings is where you do your 2FA and change your password and all, and even set your payment method, right? So let's go back to dashboard. What I want to show you here is this setup rate. So I can change my rate here. I can choose set rate or commission. So commission is saying that I get paid this commission whenever trades goes on through my kiosk. But for rates, I actually get to set my own rate. So I can increase it to say 1 or 2. So what this is saying is I will get paid 3 Naira for every $1. So for example, you'll be paid 300 Naira for every $100 transaction. So I can choose to leave it here and click on set rates. Yeah, you can see that. Then what I have here is the cash out. This is my link. This is my kiosk link. This is what I share on my social media, or I can actually embed it into my site. If I have a website and I want to integrate Bitcoin selling there, I can use this to embed it into my site. Now let's see if this actually works. So I'm going to copy this. Yeah, this is my kiosk. Supposing I give this to somebody, the person wants to sell Bitcoin, I give to the person. So the person is going to open it. So this is what he or she is going to see. You can see the name. So I call this Jude Umeano, but you can make it the name of your kiosk, right? So let's say this guy has some Bitcoin to sell, and guy want to sell say 20,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. All right, that is 0.00015. Let me just make this okay. So this is 20 extra one. So this is 20,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.0015. Let me make this 0.0015 BTC, which is 18,911 Naira. So clicks on continue. So let's say I've given somebody this and the person wants to sell Bitcoin. This is the process he or she is going to go through. But I'm actually entering my own details here. So I'm going to enter the account number where he or she's going to get the money. So I'll go ahead and enter my account detail. Now you can see that I'm going to receive 18,911 naira, and this is where I send the Bitcoin to this wallet address, or I scan this code to send it. It's really simple, and here is the bank account where I receive the money to. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have sent the Bitcoin. I'm waiting. I believe once the Bitcoin is confirmed, this will load. So the Bitcoin I sent is still processing. Once it's done processing, I expect the payment to be made. So I sent the payment. It was confirmed. After about 30 minutes, I received the money straight into my bank account. Now this took quite some time, but the previous one I didn't take this much time, and some other person say it doesn't take as long, but this actually took some time. But anyway, it arrived. So this is Cashout Africa. Now there are some upgrade that is coming onto this platform. First of all, there's going to be a button that you can click here to show that you have actually made your payment, and there is also going to be an upgrade on this front page, so expect more from this side. And I also hope they include other cryptocurrencies like USDC, USDT, BNB, and some other currency, so that you can exchange more currencies, and I expect more upgrade from them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions to me, just let me know in the comment section. Cashout Africa also have social media handles. They are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. They are also on WhatsApp, so you can actually contact these guys anytime, any day. And that is the video. I will see you in the next one.